Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Squarespace website to your Facebook business page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your account linked seamlessly, so you can easily share content, track analytics, or run ads that connect your presence between both platforms. If you've ever felt a little stuck or overwhelmed by the process, don't worry. I'll walk you through it very clearly so you feel confident every step of the way. All right, let's get started. Begin by heading over to your Squarespace dashboard. I always recommend logging in on a desktop for full visibility. It just makes navigation a little smoother, especially when making changes that involve external integrations. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu on the left. You'll want to find the Settings option. This is really the control center of Squarespace. Anytime you want to adjust something important, like site connections, permissions, or third-party integrations, this is the spot. Go ahead and click Settings. Now, within this menu, look for a section called Third-Party Tools. Sometimes it's tucked away a little further down the list, so don't rush. Just take your time scrolling. This part is important because it's specifically designed for integrating your Squarespace site with other services, like social media platforms, analytics tools, and more. Next, you'll see an option labeled Connected Accounts. You'll want to select this, since it's basically your organizer for all the external accounts you can link to Squarespace. Real-world example. Think of it as adding new contacts to your phone so you can send messages with a tap. Connecting accounts here means you'll be able to easily share updates, post to your business page, or even enable automatic posting. Once you're in the Connected Accounts area, look for a button or prompt that says Connect Account. Go ahead and click that. This is where Squarespace is going to present you with a list of services you can integrate with, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. For our purposes, select Facebook. Don't worry if you see both Facebook and Facebook page options. Typically, Squarespace will direct you to the correct settings for business use. At this point, a pop-up or a new window will appear, asking you to sign in to the Facebook account that manages your business page. If you're already logged into Facebook on your browser, this step might move even faster, but otherwise, go ahead and enter your credentials. Take your time here. Security is important, and you want to be sure you're connecting the right business account, not a personal one. If you have multiple pages, Squarespace will usually let you select the specific page you want to connect. Once you're logged in, just follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Squarespace. This allows Squarespace to securely connect and access basic data so both platforms can work together. That's it. The connection will complete, and you'll see your Facebook business page listed in Squarespace under your connected accounts. If you run into any hiccups, like a login issue or not seeing the right page, just double-check that you have admin access on Facebook for the page in question. Sometimes it's as simple as logging out and back in to refresh things. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site and Facebook business page are now integrated. This opens up a ton of new possibilities for sharing, marketing, and engaging with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or hit a snag along the way, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out. And if you're interested in more easy Squarespace or social media tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and good luck connecting your platforms.